The red light on a Blink camera typically indicates either low battery or poor internet connectivity. To resolve these issues, start by replacing the camera's batteries. This involves unmounting the camera, removing the mount, and using a coin or tool to unscrew the back of the device. Once the back is removed, take out the old batteries and insert fresh ones. Then reinstall the camera's back and reattach the mount, placing the camera back in its original position. If the issue persists, it may be due to poor internet connectivity. Troubleshoot this by opening the Blink mobile app, navigating to the device settings, and selecting the network option to confirm a strong signal is being received. Consider using a Wi-Fi range extender if the signal is weak. Verify that the password is correct, and if the problem continues, try restarting the router and reconnecting the camera. By following these steps, the cause of the red light on the Blink camera should be identified and resolved.